Good morning, Mr. Dutchman, and thank you very much for your time. We would like to consider Contship a partner of Migros. Can you share with us how Contship can support your business growth?
For us, a good partner does not only provide the solutions of the present, but is able to grow together with us, to understand our needs and to develop the solutions of the future. We are looking for partners which understand the entire supply chains from the source to the end consumer.
Since 2013, Migros has been a strong supporter of Contship Southern Gateway solution. Can you explain the strategic reason of this choice?
Given the fact that the international supply chains are very fragmented, risk management is of great importance for us. The transit to Switzerland by using your ports, your solutions has proven as reliable and very interesting for Migros. That's why we intend to maintain a share of volume we ship by using your ports. Further effects can be achieved if we generate more visibility and control in the supply chain, as a consequence more just-in-time deliveries and lower costs for the whole operation. Our partners shall provide their part in the digital world of the supply chain, and they have to be willing to invest into a continuous improvement program of our joint solutions.
Thank you very much for your time and for your answers.
Very welcome.
Mr. Held, good morning. Can you list the main benefits achieved by Migros using Contship Southern Gateway solutions?
We ship about 10,000 containers a year from Asia, India, and it's important that we have a risk management. In the past, we ship all our containers to the north, and now we have the option to use the southern ports. One benefit is that we have less supply chains interruption. This means the ships are not held up in the port due to bad weather, and surprisingly to my colleagues, there are no strikes. So that means our containers are moved on from the port immediately to our DCs in Switzerland. So with La Spezia and Genoa, we can split the risk to the south, and for us as supply chain coordinators, it's important to have options. One interesting option for us is to use your inland port in Melza. In the peak season we have many containers, and we appreciate if we can buffer some of the containers in Melza and deliver them just in time to Frankendorf and then on to our DCs in Switzerland. One advantage, of course it's important to speak about costs, is we could reduce our cost for the imports of tuna fish, because we can do the veterinary check in La Spezia. They can do it very efficiently at lower cost if we compare it with the north. This helps, of course, to cut down our overall cost.
And do you have any suggestion to further improve the effectiveness and reliability of our services?
Of course, customers, they have always suggestions and wishes. One of our main wish is that you can add on another train to your service, which I hear is planned. So we are looking forward to the third train, which is connecting Melza with Frankendorf, so we can achieve an even better transit time. Also important for customers is service, operational service, and I must admit we are quite happy, but there is a way to improve. We are also interested to finish our process quickly. That means we are happy when we receive the invoices in time, so we can close our process immediately. So that's one wish which we have to improve. Another wish we have is solutions, options. We are just now in a peak season time, And of course, in peak season, you need sometimes one train more. And if Contship is looking ahead, is planning ahead, and is offering an extra train in peak times, this would help us a lot. Another wish, maybe a bit more difficult to achieve, but for us it's important to know where our containers are. So if you can provide data where our containers are, if they are cleared in the port or if they are leaving Melzer tonight, this helps our team to plan the on-forwarding of the containers. We also have reefer containers, and it would be very interesting and very special if we could put some of our reefer containers on a rail car with power connection. So hopefully Contship will be the first to provide this service.
Thank you very much, Mr. Herr. I want to thank you for your time and for the answer. Really appreciate it.
Thank you for coming to Zurich, and I wish you good luck in achieving and expanding your services.